We're up early again this morning on day 13 of Vlogmas. You always know you're up early for me when I'm wearing my robe because it's the only thing that keeps me warm in the mornings when I first get up before the heating kicks in. I wanted to do my advent calendars first thing. I think I'm going to be heading in on the earlier side. It's Monday morning and traffic on a Monday tends to be a bit worse. But also because of the new COVID variant, they're asking people to work from home as much as they can. Obviously, I can't work from home. I've got face-to-face NHS care, but it might well be that traffic isn't too bad, but we're just going to have to wait and see how it goes. I will get on with my Kylie in the Machine advent calendar first. 13th up here. It's just such a fun variety of colors and designs as well as what's on the sewing labels, and that's the thing that I'm enjoying the most, I think, about this advent calendar. It's good. Eat, sleep, sew. I mean, I think you can see there's been a fair amount of those three things going on in my life over my Vlogmas, so feels pretty appropriate to me. All right, yarn time. 13th is right on the bottom. Now this one's got a whole lot going on. There's a creamy white base, but can you see all these little colors coming through? We've got purple, we've got green, we've got yellow, we've got pinks. Ooh, I love these kinds of yarn where you just get all these fun flecks of color and you never know what's going to show up where on your project. This one's going to be fun to work into something. I mean, they all are, let's be honest. It's going to be fun to see how they all come together. Thank you, by the way, for everyone who's given me some good suggestions. I need to, I think after Vlogmas, after Christmas is over, have a good hunt around Ravelry, look at some of the suggestions that people gave me and figure out what I want to do with my yarn. For now, I'm going to focus on my dress and getting on with my normal life as well, but it will be a fun project, I think, for the new year. As ever, I never know quite how much I'm going to be bringing you during a work day, but we'll see what we stumble onto. It is a drizzly grey day in London today. I'm in Hammersmith, right near the Hammersmith Apollo, and one thing I love around here is they have these mazes and riddles up on the pillars under the bridge. Just a little bit of fun. There's a post box that's on my way home that I've been passing, but it's on a busy road and it's slightly awkward to park nearby. But I have something that I needed to post and it was just too cute. I thought I had to stop and show you. This penguin is knitting his own scarf. How cute is that? My husband and I are off to do a food shop. I don't know about you guys, but I always really enjoy having a little snoop around food shops, particularly from other countries, supermarkets. So I'm going to show you my local one. It's not that exciting, but I think it's still a little bit of fun. So I want to show you Americans what the American section looks like in a British supermarket. This is what they think you need from back home. I can't argue with, but s'mores Pop-Tarts, specifically. S'mores? Is that the one we need? Where does the time go on a work day, right guys? I don't know how it's gotten so late as it is, but we're going to be getting ourselves to bed on the soon side. But I will see you all in the morning. Bye bye.